Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get ledgers in Trident Survival Roblox. Start by opening your map and marking known ledger spawn zones, then equip a shovel or crowbar. Visit shipwrecks, caves, and merchant areas at low player traffic for best odds. Trade or craft keys when needed to open locked chests containing ledgers. Keep inventory space free and check respawn timers to maximize your collection efficiency. To consistently find ledgers, patrol high-yield locations in short loops to save time. Focus on shipwreck beaches, caves, and merchant encampments, and mark which spots respawn fastest. Use torches or flares to reveal tucked-away chests in caves that often hide ledgers. If you spot NPC traders, check their wares for ledger fragments you can buy or exchange. Coordinate with teammates to cover more ground without doubling effort. Bring the right tools and a simple plan to speed up ledger farming. A shovel and crowbar open most containers, while spare keys handle locked chests, and stash spots keep your loot safe between runs. Move quietly through popular zones to avoid PvP interruptions, and use short patrol loops to check multiple spawns quickly. Trade duplicates with teammates to complete collections faster, and always watch respawn times to optimize each loop.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.